Hi, in this video, we'll learn how to configure SSH on a Juniper device. Here's the scenario. I have two Juniper switches connected with a cable. A PC is connected to the switch with IP address 192.168.2944. Once SSH is configured, we'll be able to access both switches from the PC. To begin, I'm entering switch configuration mode. Okay, first, I'm configuring the switch with the IP address 192.168.2944. To do that, I'm entering the switch configuration mode. Okay, now we are in switch configuration mode. I'm using the command set system services SSH root log and allow to enable SSH on the switch. Now I'm going to commit the changes. Okay, our commit check succeeded. Now I'm going to configure the next switch with the IP address 192.168.2945. Okay, now we are in switch configuration mode. I'm using the command set system services SSH root log and allow to enable SSH on the switch. Next, I'm going to commit the changes. Okay, our commit check succeeded. Now we have configured SSH on both switches. Next, I'm going to open my PC's command prompt to access the switches via SSH. Now, I've opened my PC's command prompt, and I'm typing SSH root at 192.168.2944. This is the IP address of the switch we're going to access. Type the password, and you can see that we have logged into the device. See, we have logged the device. Similarly, I'm going to access the next device with the IP address 192.168.2945. For that, I'm using the same command. We successfully access both devices from our PC via SSH. This is how to configure and use SSH on a Juniper device.